Women from all over the world who have fled war and violence and are living as refugees in the United States join together on Chicago's North Side to support one another, collaborate by making it forward through an organization called Loom.
In Loom, women have opportunity to create different products and somehow share some of their culture. And I think with Loom, we give them opportunity and encourage them more, empower them more to show them that they do have a skill.
The women in the Loom program share their time and talents with each other so that they can create and sell their own handmade items to help support their families and give them financial independence.
Loom is a social enterprise of Catholic charities where refugee women come together and make products to sell and bring home an income. It just creates a space for the women to make it whatever they want it to be. I think that it's really beautiful that Loom is a space for that.
Through our program, through all those years, we serve refugees from all over the world. All of us are together in this. Even though we are coming from different countries, different faiths, all of us, every human being, but I think especially refugees, all of us, we have something in common.
These women all come from different countries and they often don't speak the same language, but they all communicate through their art.
We all have something in common and we create Loom together. And so the products of Loom are all of our experiences and who we are put out into the world.
In Loom, we are making forward, and I think this is really great opportunity for us to show American people that refugees, and especially women, are coming to this country and that they are like self-sufficient, that they're bringing their values and that they are not burdened to this community. So I feel always proud, to show the product that one woman from Nepal, Burma, Afghanistan made.
I don't see myself as what makes their lives better. I just see my job as being able to create a space for them to be together and to use art in their lives.
You came to the United States as a refugee. You lived this, right?
Yes, I did. I came as a refugee 22 years ago in this country, and for us, we are really fortunate that we have a Loom and that we could give them chance to create community here.
With the help of Loom, these women are empowering themselves in their readjustment to a new life in a new country and culture.
When I came to Chicago, I came to Loom. Loom, very important to me, my family and my school. I need Loom all the time because Loom, my family. I'm very happy when I came and work with my friends.
The community that these women have built through Loom is multi-generational, multicultural, and it's women helping women live a more independent life by making it forward, one stitch at a time.